Thank you for choosing our steam press. You've purchased a product of the highest quality, which gives you not only value for money, but also an effortless and leisurely ironing experience. To help you get the best results, we have made this video to get you. Always check to make sure the on-off switch is set to O position before connecting the unit to the power supply. Make sure the locking knob is in the unlocked position. Lift the pressing handle until the pressing plate is fully open. Plug the unit to the power supply, then turn the on-off switch to the desired position. Selecting the temperature. Select from the temperature control knob the types of fabrics to be ironed. The ironing temperature is preset in accordance with the fabric being selected. The temperature control light will turn red when the pressing plate is heating up, and turn green when the ironing temperature has reached the desired setting. If you are not sure about the type of fabric you are going to iron, begin with the lowest temperature setting and increase the temperature gradually until you get the proper ironing results. Please note, when changing the temperature setting from the highest level to a lower level, allow several minutes for the press to adjust to the change. Avoid touching the pressing plate as it is very hot once the press is heated. Pressing. Lift the pressing handle to move the pressing plate to the open position. Carefully arrange the garment to be pressed onto the ironing board, then close the press. Hold for no more than 5 seconds and open the press. For better ironing results, make the garment slightly damp using the spray bottle provided. Get used to moving your hands backwards and forwards to slide the garment rather than up and down to avoid touching the pressing plate and the heating shoe. Steam control. Make sure the on-off switch is set to steam on position. Make sure the water tank boiler is filled with enough water. Steam is available when the boiler is up to temperature, indicated by the steam ready light turning green. In order to produce steam, the press should be set to the highest temperature level, that is cotton or linen materials. Before using the steam burst, make sure the steam control light has turned green and the pressing plate is opened. To use the steam burst, pull down the pressing plate using the pressing handle to within a few centimeters of the ironing board. Press the steam burst button on the front of either side of the pressing handle. Please note, never place your hand under the steam outlets while pressing the steam buttons. Do not use the steam burst when the press is closed, or you may damage the press. Finish pressing. Turn the on-off switch to O position to turn off the unit, and unplug the press from the power supply. Keep the pressing plate open until it cools down completely. Close the pressing plate to the ironing board and turn the locking knob to the locked position. Automatic safety cutoff. The heater in the pressing plate will automatically be turned off if you leave the pressing plate closed for more than 15 seconds. The same safety precaution measure will apply if the pressing plate is kept open and unused for 15 minutes. Hopefully this video has helped you get started, but do still take the time to read the instruction book, especially the safety measures. You will find most ironing on our steam press is simplicity itself, and we are sure it will give you the joy of a relaxed and efficient way of ironing.